Introducing the iPhone 15 Pro Max, where innovation meets sophistication. With its stunning 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display, every detail comes to life. The A16 Bionic chip ensures lightning-fast performance, making multitasking a breeze. Capture the extraordinary with the advanced triple camera system, now equipped with AI enhancements for the perfect shot every time. The ProRAW and ProRes video capabilities unleash your creativity, allowing you to shoot and edit like a pro. Say goodbye to battery anxiety thanks to the improved battery life that keeps up with your day. The sleek design, crafted from aerospace-grade aluminum, not only looks premium but is also durable. Experience the future of connectivity with 5G capabilities, ensuring speedy downloads and seamless streaming. Face ID becomes even more secure, adapting to changes in your appearance over time. The iPhone 15 Pro Max, redefining what's possible in a smartphone. Elevate your mobile experience with the pinnacle of technology. Get ready to embark on a new era of innovation. Pre-order yours now and be part of the revolution.